Smart Factory, Industry 4.0. In the good old days, things just used to be different. The mail was delivered by the postman, the news were brought to us on TV at 8 o'clock, and whistles were carved from wood. Nowadays, we get our mail electronically, news notifications are being pushed to our smartphones, and whistles are manufactured using Industry 4.0. Industrially manufactured and yes, custom-made. The basis of future production systems is the cyber-physical system. Cross-linked machines, actuators and sensors that are communicating with each other and thus enabling a truly new flexibility. Immediately after the order data are received, a check is made if everything necessary is at disposal. If everything is ready, the worker is shown the required materials and steps of the workflow by the assistance system. The workpiece is assigned its own distinct identity and all information is saved. The transport system receives the necessary information from the blank to move towards the destination autonomously. The next step is taken in the same manner. The processing system gets the required information for processing the blank further directly from the memory of the workpiece. By means of the intelligence of the workpiece, the information required for processing is transmitted autonomously. Creating the future with Industry 4.0, Smart Factory, and learning to create the future with Precision Mechanics College Schwenningen. With the Cyber Classroom, the students can study, learn and test the processes in the Virtual Learning Factory in advance. Beyond that, the students have countless virtual study modules at their disposal as integrated components of the Virtual Learning Factory. That's how the future works. A project by the Vocational School for Precision Mechanics and Technical College, its school authorities and industrial partners.